Yun guys, yung ating tinatawag na snow cone, flower snow cone. Ay, sorry. Flower snow cone, 3 to 4 flavors yun. With, syempre, itong ating fruit jellies. Yun guys, ang cost is 35 pesos. Kasi medium size na yun. Meron tayong mas malaki. Yung large size niya guys, it's 45 pesos. Pakita ko sa inyo sa tablet. Alright guys, yung sinerve ko kanina is eto guys, 35. Eto naman, yung mas malaki, it's 45. So ganun din guys, 3 to 4 flavors siya with jellies. Right guys, this is snow cone 2 flavors. 25 lang. Okay guys, thank you for watching. Bye.